Yesterday I had to run downstairs to the big band that was setting up, and so I did what your advice was, um, realizing that I'm spreading my uh, aperture too much when I start playing.
Hmm.
So when I was conscious of breathing, with this closed or through my nose, man, what a difference!
What happened? Tell me about it.
It did all the things it was supposed to do.
You haven't
I,
even
I
started.
wasn't,
Tell me about it.
wasn't even. I wasn't. You know, blown out after the first couple of charts. We were down a trumpet player, so we're playing a four section trumpet section with three guys. Um, I wouldn't say I was blowing high notes all night, but it was a lot of hard blowing, and I wasn't that worn out. I mean, I was ready for a break at break time, but I could tell when things weren't going right that the vertical alignment was off.
Hmm.
Um, I unfortunately I didn't have any time to study any of it before I had to run down there and just take what I learned by rote and put
Yeah.
it to task.